Yeah, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes. Now another Googie can carry us come today. Now the present situation within Nigeria, now make us come today. How na day? Yeah, I just say make I don't make una understand how human being dey selfish, dey so selfish wey be say e dey only think about himself, e no dey think about the present situation of others wey take you go put for that particular position. The person wey I dey talk about na our president, the president or the caliphate wey dey handle the present situation of the Nigerian. How you go carry person pikin say make e stay for house for 14 days, you no give am anything to eat, you no even say make you just at least put something wey him go use dey take care of himself. Okay, all the people wey you put for house now, everybody wey dey for house, the ones wey little get money now, okay, they go buy fuel put for house, everywhere they do grrr grrr grrr, gen everywhere, noise everywhere. The ones, okay, one, light no dey, two, food no dey. How you expect these people to stay for house for 2 weeks? How you expect? See, people come to the extent say people come burst out. At least you suppose to put your people first. Put your people first. Okay, make I give una one evidence wey go show, just give una one evidence when I watch.
And we want you to deliver our message too. That in 2 days time we are going to we can't stay indoors for hunger. In 2 days we will protest. We've had you. We will have you. We've had you. We will protest in 2 days time. Today we are giving them today. They did not pay us any money. They did not give us food. Our children are there. They say we should stay indoors. For what reason? Tomorrow we are going to protest. See, our children are hungry. And you say we should stay indoors. Why will you say we should stay indoors? For what reason? You didn't give us money. You didn't pay us anything. And you want us to stay indoors.
My people, I just say may I give una little hint wetin dey happen for Lagos right now. They no give these people money. They no put food for them. They no even give them light. How you expect these people to survive? How you expect these people to survive? Their children dey for house with them. Heat dey kill everybody. And you still dey say make dem stay indoor for 14 good days. No food, no light, nothing. No plan, nothing to even sanitize to encourage them. Abeg, make we see dey use our upstairs. Make we see dey use our number 6. if we say okay, make these people stay for house, at least we go give them light, just natural light. At least even though their children go to watch cartoon, them go to think of how them go use provide wetin their children go eat. Okay, more because say you come at least no program as in okay, we gonna give una okay every for these 2 weeks, okay, we'll give una like this particular amount, make una use stay for house. Many people will survive by maybe okada, many people survive by even their day job. Okay, those who no come get house, wetin you wan tell them? Where you want make them go stay for indoor? Those who they live for under bridge, where you want make them come stay? Those who they homeless, where you want make them stay? If you say make everybody go house, where they want stay? You go provide house for them, no food, no light, nothing. They say they suffer the heat. Make una still get human sympathy, make una still get sense of belonging. Now the little thing I just say make I come follow, make una share, make una still understand. Say no be by to stay house now be the matter. If you go China, if China say okay stay house, at least they don't make provisions for people in the house. Then get steady lights, then get where to live. Even when them go chop, they will not make the provision down. If you come for Italy, the same thing. The same thing. Say yes, Italy they like this. Now still the same thing. People they indoor, lights they steady. At least their children they face the TV. Even they still get particular amount when they see they give people. When they still go at least go use buy food where they go eat. They see the bills. They still do some things about it. If you can't go America, at least the President Trump still they do many things about that. At least make the people where they indoor, make them see they're okay. Are you now the Federal Republic of Nigeria and I just pack everybody must make the bylaw, put everybody inside. People are suffering. People are dying. How long will we continue like this? And if you think say this coronavirus now just for 14 days, you are joking. You are really joking. This coronavirus not be for 14 days. You know, even for 2 months. As now we don't enter Nigeria, give am 3 months before, even more than 3 months before you go finish in business. Okay, more can talk of some people now. Now more can face the celebrities so we get for Nigeria. Yes, we see people like Pastor Odumeje, Emeka Odumeje. At least you know they doing best to see say okay, I see some videos, you buy some Indomie, yams, rice, yes. At least you still get some celebrities. Okay, make we not come look okay the federal government because those ones they don't finish with nonsense. Okay, more talk about the celebrities so in Nigeria. Yes, we see people like Messi, we see people like Ronaldo. There are millions so they contribute for the hospital to fight this coronavirus. Okay, we see people like Mane. You see give 50 million to Senegal, make them still fight. You see people like Salah. They still donate for Egypt. Make them still fight. Okay, we have how many celebrities? All the celebrities, all the money, some will not get 50 million gang. All them Whiskey, then the video, all those musicians, the artists, actresses, all those millionaires and billionaires. What thing I don't do to still help these people? To still help the people. Okay, we'll come face the people where they pay tithe and offering. What thing they don't do to help their people? At least when their people see they see something, they go see they eat while they stay at home. They don't pay tithe, they don't pay offering. Now they don't get what them go work again. No means of tithe and offering. Okay, within the church they plan at least to help their citizens. At least they say how the people talk am. What goes around comes around. If right hand wash left hand go dey clean. Left hand wash right hand, the right hand go dey clean. How they don't do to still help these people? Especially the pastors and the church officials. Wetin they don't provide to still help these people wey still dey for house. They don't get anything to chop. They don't get work to work. Many people believe on their Okada. Many people believe on maybe their taxi. Many people they do all this minor foodstuff markets. They don't block everywhere. Markets need to sell again. How is the church trying to help these people? Now waiting the present question wey dem go dey ask now. Okay, the government now, have you abandoned these people? Before you vote, you dey give them small rights. At least APC people, we know na handwork. PDP people, we know say na dey give them small change. When I still bring those money, when I still share for these people as na dey do am for campaign time, at least make dem still dey eat their life so that they will still vote na next time. We see people like El-Rufai say no carry coronavirus, he wan go relax. Okay, Kyari, Abba Kyari, that one now nobody even know him whereabouts. Now the same set of people, the caliphate wey dey dialogue in Nigeria. Problem don come now, everybody don run. But this is now waiting from the beginning, then they tell you now. Build hospital, build schools. Educate and train this youth. All of una na just make adamant, na just lock up una ear. Now the main gbege don come. They say na Italian man carry am come Nigeria. Okay, the Italian man don carry am come. You say you don cure am, but today e don rampage everywhere. You don full everywhere. Now that hospital now, wey they say make you build, you no gree build am. Now the foreign countries, they don lock all the hospital. Okay, now all these people now, you yourself, you no fit run comot. When I say now they lead in Nigeria, nothing, no program for these people to say okay, make you at least make take care of these people, make at least make you still get them for heart. What preparation, what arrangement? The Aso Rock, in fact, even the APC chairman Oshomole, what is your contribution to this crisis? What are you doing to help these people from hunger, from starving, from dying? If up till now you don't have any program for these people, that means you are not supposed to be in that seat. You are not supposed to be in that seat. At least make we see do something. At least make the world still knows. At least if you see the President Trump, every almost 24 hours in there on air. He dey on air, make it dey giving people assurance, they giving people confidence. We go fight this disease, we go overcome this disease. You see Conte of Italy, Macron for France. Everybody dey on air. We see people, all these other countries, at least their presidents see dey on air, see they encourage their people, see they fight for this, they fight this disease. Now it don't come for the country Nigeria now. Everybody now don't gbege, everybody don't tear race. Everybody now they cover their head. Those ones who say they are just making sense, we need to hear them again. Okay, now Bayelsa, Port Harcourt, Rivers, they block their borders. Asaba now, they block their borders. Not be by to block the borders. What is the important now? How are you want fight this thing? How you they plan for your people? What are you using to encourage them? If you say make them stay for 2 weeks for house, waiting be your plan. Waiting you go use encourage them. Share na the lights na in day, I been at the food na in day, I been waiting. I been a small pocket money where you go see they give them. At least when they still use and they see they find 1 or 2 things to survive. Nothing there. The celebrities, everybody go hide. The pastors, all of them, no hide. No wonder where Peace question and Peter been a Paul. He say use one eye, they look them. Say na one eye news, they look them. Tomorrow na them go na then they see the whole prophecy, all the whole prophecy ready for this life. There's even the ones who do crusade this January, they see the whole project for the year. But they don't see Corona. Say Corona dey for one of the projects. We don't come for January. Some churches, they don't do the first crusade. They do second crusade. Some do sorrow to joy. After sorrow to joy, Corona can't enter. She na happiness he can't give you now. I been at the joy. Now the sorrow we dey now. I been at the joy we dey. Make una stop to deceive una self. If una say na be pastor. If una say na be pastor, make una stop to deceive una self. And for my people, make una see the use in our head. My people, the Nigerians, make una see the use in our head. Even though the government no get a plan for that, make una see they find any other alternative, but no be by to thwart the law. Normally, make you social distances, that is 1 meter, is very important. Wash your hands daily. cover your nose. Even the people dem send, make you watch the video, the people dem send, make dem go address these people. Most of them no even fit still cover nose. Even the wetin dem use dey cover the nose na the fake one. Those ones na maybe e test positive, dem no still test am, dem no know. My people, make wetin, in fact, at this situation now, the people wey we carry power give now, dem don leave us, dem don run. Nobody even dey put mouth, everybody just go self-defense. It is the right time for us to take our destiny into our hand. It's the right time for us to make the only decision to change the destiny of our children. All the money wey dem pack now, even as of February, they see they pass bill to go buy cars. As of February, they see they pass bill to go buy cars for all those senators and all those politicians for there. But they forget, say that same February wey dem see they pass that law, China don already dey face the coronavirus. Italy don't even accept the data. Now, March now, it go enter Nigeria now. The cars now, they ride the car for road where they say make everybody stay at home. Now they go they ride the car. How they want to enjoy that car? Now, our money now, the rest and go buy car. Now, disease don't come now. Everybody don't lock up. Bring the money, make the people use and they enjoy. Make the people use and they potpourri. If you say make we stay house, oh yeah, give us light, give us small change. Okay, we do okay. At least the average man go see they get up, even though na 50,000 naira. At least the average man. At least 50,000 naira. All of una wey na go dey collect 1,500 to vote APC. Na time don reach now wey na go dey feel, wey na sef go follow feel the heat. As if you say na no one get sense. Maybe 2021 now or 2022 now, they go still come now. See they give na 500 or 1,000, they give na onions and rice. Now go see they go vote this same set of people. Now never one wake up from na slumber. Now never one get sense. At up to 70-something years, a whole Nigeria, now never even understand anything. See how other African country they fight this coronavirus. See South Africa, see Ghana. See Ghana wey even dey near us, as dem dey fight am. I no wan talk other countries like Egypt or all those other countries. You say you be giant of Africa, but see how you dey handle issue. No plan, nothing. Okay, address your people now until your people come force you, come out. The other one, Femi Adesina, say it's not his style. You no be his style, but when you dey do campaign, na your style to come outside with your leg. Na you dey come out everywhere, dey go do campaign. But now, no be your style to come address your people because you don't get challenge, you don't get disease. When they kill your people, you no be your style to come address them, to give them confidence, to encourage them. No. It's right time that we wake up. It's right time we start to use our number 6. It's right time we start to use our number 6. Well, me, I don't know what you still think. Or anything you still think, if you drop your comment for down there. Just in our next video, we will still bring you now the latest things where we still get. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Thank you.